Friend, not my friend. I actually hate that kid. My coworker.
Coworker.
He's a dick. Merry Christmas, GoPro.
Merry Christmas. Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh wait.
Oh,
you can unscrew it.
Oh.
All right, we're saved. We're saved.
Yeah, but how does that thing doesn't have a screw?
Doesn't have a screw.
Oh.
No,
What?
it does not.
Ow.
Well, shit. They'll just throw it right there.
It is what it is.
Well, shit. Look at it. 2jzgte sitting in my freaking carport, man.
You gotta talk about it.
Yeah, I am going to talk about it because I'm somewhat excited if it doesn't look like it. Zane looks pretty stoked because he's going to be getting the motor out of it somehow. I promised him a 1UZ for his Subaru. Hold on. Let's go check this thing out. Oh, we're going to get this in here. This thing right here. It's probably the fastest GC8 on the East Coast. I'm not lying. This thing's been all over Virginia, South Carolina, North Carolina. That's what you want. I don't know if you can see. Oh, that's all right. That's breakfast of champions right there. So, this is Noah's hunk. Looks like it's got a lift kit on it. But, yeah. So,
Who's editing these?
2jz.
Me and Drew are.
Fuck,
It's gonna be.
fucking
Hold on.
fuck,
It's gonna be in this car right here. This one, LS400, missing the corner light. Got a somewhat nice interior, but hopefully it'll come out halfway decent. I need to get it running good, but this is what we got to work with. This is the A-team right here. Zane, Noah. We've already started taking apart some shit to find that this front turbo is a little stiff. This one spins pretty good.
Got some spin into it. Don't see. Got some spin.
Yep.
Up in there.
But I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna have to buy new ones or if I should just single it now since it's out of the car. But we'll figure it out. We gonna make it work.
We're gonna make it work, alright.
Oh, it's gonna work. It's gonna run. It's gonna run real damn good.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
He doesn't want to be introduced. Look
Okay, we'll introduce Ree.
Hi.
Well, I can't introduce
2jz, 2J Ree. Even though it's not hers, it's mine.
Ree SX.
I'm the trophy of the friend group now. Your girlfriend's worst nightmare.
Oh God.
Oh god.
The TSX will eventually be 700 horse, right?
No, 400.
400?
Yeah.
You don't want 700?
How are you gonna do that?
I'm
I'm gonna change the battery terminals.
She's gonna kick the stuff.
Put some new spark plugs in her.
Go kick a few tires.
That's about 40.
actually,
That's about 45 horse right
I was
there.
just gonna plastic up the rims all in a day.
Throw about as many stickers as I have on my car.
You know,
That'll add some
convert to one windshield wiper.
Yeah, that adds at least 15.
Take the back seats out.
Oh yeah, you got to. Weight reduction, bro.
No wheels.
Pro tips.
No body. Nothing. Just an engine.
Dishes.
That's how. Hey, you know what? You're not losing any horsepower if you ain't got no wheels to roll.
You're only gaining.
There's only shit to gain. Stop.
Man.
Yep. Seems like a motor.
I got that on video.
Alright, so I'm going to be working on the 2J a little bit. Had my guy look at the turbos, and there's a little bit of shaft play, but we're going to run them. This is somewhat of a budget build, so I can't be throwing all sorts of money here. Don't have any sponsors, so that won't help either. But I'm going to take these gaskets off, clean them up a little bit, use some air intake cleaner to clean the fins off, and I'm also going to put fresh plugs in it, but I'm going to take these old ones out for now and spin the motor over just so to make sure everything's turning good. And I think that'll be it for today until I start ordering more parts. So camera's going, gonna sit right about there for the rest of the day. So it is nighttime. It's perfect time to work on engines when everyone's gone and there's no one here to get distracted. So we're going to be replacing this VVTi actuator solenoid. Come on. Well, you can't really see it. It's this thing right here. When I got the motor, it was actually broken. This connector is supposed to sit somewhere right there. So I'm going to take the valve cover off, and it's only a 10mm bolt to get it off. But we do got to do this oil line as well. There's a filter in there that actually filters the oil that goes to the VVTi cam gear that's under here. And there's a 10mm bolt to hold the oil line on down here. Come on. You can see it, that guy. And it's kind of a pain in the ass to get to him. Can't do it with the ratchet wrench. So we got to take this pulley off because it's kind of in the way. And since this is a 22 and we're working at my house, trusty crescent wrench. So shouldn't be too bad. If I can get a socket for that pulley, since we just found out. Oh, gotta make sure she's turned up on 3. Long travel.
What?
Alright, boys, we gotta roll.
Take it easy.
Take it easy.
Ready to see this bitch ripping, bud?
Hey, she'll do it. Look, come look where this thing went.
That's what you want.
She down in there. I
Yeah.
can't even.
You got a magnet?
Well, you'd think I would have a magnet, but since we are not professionals, that's gonna be a big old negative.
Damn.
But I might be able to make some tomfoolery happen.
You're full.
Let's just.
Tom, you're full of shit.
Hey, just you wait. Ah. Really gotta press the button on this flashlight. If I don't like it, I would instantly throw it away.
Well,
Alright,
Snap-on, lifetime warranty.
You ready for this? Ready to hit the ground.
Did it?
Yeah. But I think it went on into the rim.
You're just gonna have to wait to get it then.
Nah, there's no way.
Oh yeah.
Cause it ain't going back together without it.
Let's see. 6.
Nah, that fucking sucks. Alright, kill it. Well, night's done. Short. Well, probably what? Spent 30 minutes out here?
Yeah, probably.
Maybe. What had happened was I dropped the washer, one of these washers, the other one's on the bolt. Now there is a relief that they give you so that washer doesn't fall. And
And you
I
dropped
still
it.
dropped it. But then I went to go get it with these nifty angled needle nose and managed to come on over here. Look, I'm gonna have to use my phone because your flashlight died.
Hey, listen, that's Snap-on, baby.
Look at this.
Lifetime
Fell down
warranty.
over there by the AC compressor. And then I knocked it and it bounced off the oil pan, through the pallet slat, into the very small whole stock wheel for the LS that is supporting my engine right now. And without the engine hoist, it does not look like I'm going to be able to get it. Sadly. So, we're going to have to get the hoist over here. I'm thinking Friday. What do you think?
I think I'm gonna be in Kentucky on Friday.
Oh. Well, looks like I'm doing it on Friday. And you just ain't going to be a part of it.
At least let me be here when it goes in.
Well, depending on when the motor mounts get here, if I'm pulling that motor out on Friday, Saturday, this thing might be on its way in, you know what I'm saying?
What? What a sack of shit.
Bugs, man. Bugs. Come on, Vincent. That's some shop equipment right there. Come on, get it. Oh, you don't want to get the inside?
What? Dirty ass wheels.